Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove ads on YouTube. Let's begin. First, I want you to open your favorite browser. So most likely it's going to be Chrome. And whenever you play your YouTube video, a video will automatically pop up. To prevent that, of course, the easiest way is to get YouTube Premium. However, other alternatives is to look for an ad blocker. So the latest working ad blocker we have Ghostery ad blocker. You can look it up. And this is a Chrome extension. Just click on this link here. You will see what it looks like. Just easily click on add to Chrome, add to extension or add extension. Just wait for a few seconds to a minute to properly download and install this in your browser. And once done, you just basically need to enable the ad blocker. So here we have now successfully finished downloading and just enable this app. So you can look it up on your pins. For example, we have YouTube. I'm going to refresh this website. Okay. So where was it? So here we can pick it up. It already blocked three trackers and everything is now enabled. And that's it. Another way is you can easily look for Brave browser and it will automatically block any ads on YouTube videos and install this and use this as your primary browser. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.